guys, kembali lagi di channel saya Vince. Mulai kali ini kita akan melanjutkan nih gameplay kita dalam bermain game The Walking Dead The Final Season ya. Sekarang kita sudah memasuki episode ketiga ya, dan kita kemarin melihat bahwa sekolah kita diserang ya sama raider itu, si Lily. Wah, parah banget gak sih? Langsung saja kita mulai nih episode 3. Kita akan lihat seperti apa lanjutannya.
Previously on The Walking Dead.
Previously ya, sebelumnya nih.
While searching for a place to call home, AJ and I found an old boarding school run by kids deep in the forest. Their leader was a
Kasian
guy
banget ya
named
guys,
Marlon,
Marlon.
and AJ pulled the trigger. I told AJ that what he'd done was murder, that he'd have to atone for it. The other kids agreed. They voted to kick us out. I thought we'd never return. Then, AJ and I were attacked by Abel, one of the raiders Marlon had given the twins to. He was with someone I thought I'd never see again.
Lily ya,
Lily.
bertemu dengan Lily kita di
We were
episode
almost
sebelumnya.
eaten by walkers when suddenly one of them spoke to me. His name was James, an
Si
ex-whisperer who didn't believe in killing walkers. He helped me treat AJ, but without real medicine, he wouldn't make it. The kids didn't turn away the sad sight of AJ and let us back inside. After I told them how we could defend the school against the raiders, they were willing to let us stay, at least until the fight. I decided to help Lewis tune his piano. He opened up to me, and I admitted I had feelings for him. He had the same ones. Then the raiders finally
Maaf ya
came.
guys, kalau
They
nanti
busted open our
suaraku
gates, but the
agak
kids stayed hidden as
batuk-batuk
planned.
gitu. Soalnya
Until
lagi gak enak
10
kan
ran out of
akhir-akhir ini.
cover, hoping for a chance to learn about his
Ini ya
missing
guys,
sisters.
si Ten.
The bomb went off,
Si Ten
and attempting
keluar.
to save 10, Mitch threw himself at Lily and got a knife to the throat. With only a second to decide,
Sayang banget guys si Mitch.
I fired and saved Lewis. They got away with 3 of our friends,
Padahal
and we
kalau
had
ada
no
Lewis,
idea where they'd
kalau ada Lewis,
gone.
kalau ada Mitch itu bagus banget loh guys.
But we knew
Sayang banget.
someone who did.
Wah, kita dapat Abel ya guys. Kita tangkap nih Abel. Kita lihat Abel kemarin kakinya udah patah ya, terus matanya juga. Wah, hancur guys, benar-benar hancur sekolah kita. Sayang sekali. Mitch guys telah meninggal, sayang sekali, sedih. Padahal dia potensinya bagus banget loh, tinggi banget, besar banget potensi Mitch. Tapi dia malah mati dengan begitu tragis. Kasian sih, sedih sih.
At the start, I was so little, and Mitch looked after me. People said he was a dick sometimes, but he was always nice to me.
Wah, sedih ya.
Now he's gone. Stabbed in the eye by some asshole who never even knew his name.
Look, I promise you, Willie, the people who did this, we're going to hit them back. They're gonna regret ever coming near us.
Benar-benar, kita akan balas dendam.
If Mitch were here, he wouldn't cry. He'd find a way to get our friends back. Then he'd bash Lily's brains out with a rock.
Abel's tied up in the basement. He passed out from the pain.
Thanks.
AJ wanted to stay down there and keep an eye on him. Hey, buddy. It's time for us to bury Mitch and say our goodbyes.
I'll help you
Get
carry
away from him! You're the reason he's dead!
Wah,
Really? Well, it's true! We had a plan and that idiot messed it up!
kita diam aja
Someone
guys.
has to say it! It's what everyone's thinking!
10.
Let me handle this. Talk to Abel. See if you can't find out where Lily took Vi, Omar, and Asim. I wanted to hurt him, you know, to make him talk, but I just couldn't. Maybe you'll get more out of him than I did.
Oke. Kita akan cari informasi guys ke Abel. Semoga aja kita bisa dapat ya guys informasinya. Kita lihat nih. Oh, interogasi Abel ya.
This should be strong enough to hold him.
Yakteb ya. Lakban. Apa itu? Ya, ini darahnya si Brody ya. Sedih sekali guys. Rossi. Rossi masih belum percaya kita guys. Sedih banget.
Got your gun back, huh?
Uh-huh.
AJ keren banget guys.
Still want dibs?
It's different like this, with them all broken. But I still hate him.
Ready?
Kita siram guys.
What the fuck? Well, that ain't no way to wake an old man up from his afternoon nap. I was having a nice dream, too. About a girl I used to know from before. She also had me tied up, but I wasn't her prisoner, if you get my meaning. You got any water? Other than what you already dumped on me? I mean...
Drink.
You got good manners, Squirt.
Gak
Don't
usah.
mind if I do.
He gets nothing.
If we give him water, maybe he'll atone.
Nothing until after he's told us what we need to know.
You aren't fooling anyone with the hard act. I can tell you never done this before.
Don't make this harder than it needs to be, okay? I just want to know where Lily took
Benar,
my
benar.
people.
Kemana Lily
Doesn't
berbawa?
matter. As soon as she gets there, she's gonna turn around and come right back for me. You better give me the 5-star treatment. If I'm smiling when she gets here... Jesus! The fuck is wrong with you?
Dia pikir dia
That
bisa
ain't 5 star.
ngomong
Tell
ngancam
us where
kita
they
guys.
took our friends, or she'll do it again.
Lily will never give him up. Only reason we came here was for more manpower. Losing Jonathan and me for 3 sprouts that can barely hold a gun. Even a dummy like me can do the math on that one.
We're gonna get him back.
You don't know what it's like out there. It's a bloodbath. One community against another. From Richmond to the coast. Back in the Delta,
Richmond.
we're at war. With some really sick fucks who make me look like the Virgin Mary. We need people to fight it. Soldiers who do what we say.
Kita nggak akan ini
No
guys.
fucking way I'd let my people fight for you.
I'm starting to think you're mad at me. You think we like doing raids like this? Our home is under threat. It's a good home. Built to last. I'd do a lot to protect it. Maybe you could understand that.
And I do a lot to get my back. So stop wasting my time.
Iya, iya.
Okay. Front pocket. The answer to all your questions.
Kita nggak akan main baik guys ke dia.
Read it.
Dia udah ngelakuin
Whatsoever parteth the hoof and is cloven-footed, and cheweth the cud among the beasts, that shall ye eat. What the fuck? Is this code?
No, it's fucking Leviticus. I was hoping it'd be some timely, moralistic shit about turning the other cheek. Well, come on.
Oh,
That thing ain't
ayat
gonna light
Alkitab.
itself. Wanna know where your friends are? Smoke will clear my mind. Help me remember stuff. Like where Lily went. Come on, kid. Don't make me wait all day.
Enggak.
You little bitch!
I'm out of patience, Abel. Tell me where Lily went. Now!
Wah. Muntah darah dia, guys.
That's a lot of blood.
Oh, fuck. This is not good.
Bagus, bagus. Ini
He's
malah
gonna
bagus.
die, isn't he?
I tell you what.
Isn't that what you wanted?
I did, but
You're gonna get your wish. When you pushed me off that balcony, something must have burst inside of me. Shit.
Oh, pas jatuh ya, guys, dari itu
I never
balkon.
wanted things to end like this. Everything. It all got out of hand. Now look at me. I'm a fucking mess.
will he turn?
No!
Dia takut, guys, kalau dia bakalan berubah.
My whole life, everything I ever got, I got with my own two hands and my will. For my body to turn on me, to take control. I'll tell you where to find Lily. Just promise. You won't let me turn.
Wah, gimana ya?
I'm begging you.
Give him your words.
If you're honest with me, I'll put you out of your misery. You have my word.
Ya, ya.
Okay, we have a boat. We're docked a few miles west of here at an old fishing pier. Your friends are on the boat.
Di situ ternyata, guys.
You got what you wanted. Please, don't let me become one of those things. Please.
Wah, bisa, guys.
Turn.
Bisa, guys. Let him turn.
You're gonna be stuck in that broken shell of a body forever.
Orang seperti Abel nggak bakalan bisa. Nggak boleh, guys.
You gave me your word,
Aku nggak bakalan ngampunin dia, guys.
and you were stupid to believe I told you everything.
Kita nggak bakalan, apa ya namanya, kita nggak bakalan kasih ampun, guys, ke orang seperti ini. Biarin aja, guys.
Deserves.
Enggak, you deserve it. Kau pantas mendapatkannya, Abel. Ini atas apa yang telah kau lakukan. I want you to
AJ,
see this.
Don't look away. I want you to see this.
I want to.
Cepet banget ya, guys, berubah.
Abel? Is he still in there?
Hati-hati, AJ.
Come on. We have a boat to find.
Wah, tapi Abel benar-benar pantas sih guys mendapatkan itu tuh. Kesel banget aku gara-gara dia. Oke, kita sekarang lagi jalan ya sepertinya. Lagi mencari kapal yang dimaksud ya. Katanya ada kapal yang menjadi markas mereka.
Once we find the boat, we'll look for a way to sneak on board.
Yeah, if 10 doesn't fuck it up this time.
It wasn't Tin's fault.
Yes, it was! Mitch died because he...
Say one more thing about Tin. I dare you.
Guys, there it is.
Apa itu? Oh, ketemu guys. Kapal yang dimaksud. Terus gimana kita? Apa yang harus kita lakukan?
You see anything?
The beach, a boat, and a wood street in the water.
That's called a pier.
Pier.
Okay, let's spread out
pier.
and focus on those areas. Keep your heads low.
Jadi kita akan mengintai dulu ya di sini. Kepala kelinci.
A rabbit's foot.
Oh, bukan
Omar used to
kaki.
carry around a rabbit's foot. You don't think?
We'll take it home. We can give it back to him once we've saved him.
Kita dapat kaki kelinci guys.
Have you ever seen this thing before?
No way. Pretty sure I would have remembered an old-timey riverboat. And from where I'm sitting, looks like that pier is the only way inside.
Well, let's see what else is down there.
Apa ini? Oh,
There are
ada.
a few on deck.
Ada
couple
orang.
others on the pier. Could be more inside. Wait, I see Violet.
Ada Violet.
Shit. This is really it. We found them.
Beneran di sini ternyata mereka guys.
I can see an entrance.
Yeah. There's one at the other end of the boat, too.
There's a small opening at the top of those closed doorways. AJ and I know how to deal with those. I don't see any obvious place to keep prisoners.
Don't boats have brigs? Boat jails.
Maybe, but where?
Now that, I don't know.
Kita masih belum tahu ya guys, mereka disekap di mana. Wih, astaga.
The pier has plenty of cover on it. If we're careful, we can sneak in undetected.
Oh, enak ya. Nggak ada CCTV.
There's no good cover leading up to the boat. We're gonna need one hell of a distraction.
Walkers. Wah, mereka siaga banget ya.
Now we just need, what, a dozen walkers? How hard could that be?
Kita bisa
Maybe
ini ya
not as hard as
menggunakan
you'd think.
walkers. Ah, kita bisa minta bantuan James. Benar sekali.
Anything useful?
Looks like building material. Furniture. Probably stuff from the train station.
They're loading those rafts with supplies.
I could cut those loose and just ride them downriver. Easy.
Sheet metal, wood, and quite a bit of it.
We should have that stuff.
Kita mau ambil kah barang-barangnya?
Are those torches?
Maybe. Why?
We could use the fire.
Kita mau ambil atau bakar ya. Jadi kita ada pilihan itu. Kemana nih kita? Oh ini, AJ.
Find anything over here?
They have horses.
Mereka ada kuda.
Let me see. More torches. Setting the hay on fire would get their attention. Scare the horses, too.
We could get on the boat easier that way.
Oh, kita bisa ini ya.
If we cut those horses free, we could slow down anyone trying to chase us.
Berarti kita udah ada beberapa rencana nih yang
We
bisa
should
kita
get out of
lakukan.
here before they spot us. We can talk through the plan once we're somewhere safe.
Kita harus pergi guys, hati-hati. Intinya sekarang kita udah ada rencana nih.
All right? What's the plan?
They've got guards posted on the pier and the boat. There's no way we can take them all at once. Our only hope is to distract them while we sneak on board.
We should burn their stuff.
That'd work. We could burn the supplies or the hay they keep for the horses.
Whatever we don't burn, we should take. Ruby would love to have the horses. But I'd rather steal those supplies. I could build traps. Weapons.
Yeah,
Burn the
we'll
hay, see?
steal their supplies and burn the hay as our distraction.
Benar, benar, benar.
If you're going to steal from the rafts, you have to do it carefully.
Kita akan
Do it any other way.
ambil guys staffnya.
The fire will lure the raiders away from the boat, and we can sneak across the pier.
If anyone sees us, they'll shoot.
You remember that guy I told you about? James?
Wah, kan benar kan kita akan bawa
He
James.
sent in walkers to save us from Lily and Abel. Maybe we could convince him to do it again. If we lead a big enough group of them onto the beach, we can blend in without being seen.
Sepertinya mereka agak kurang percaya ya.
Well, yeah. Let's find out how much he charges for his services.
What about after we get everyone home? I mean, the raiders will just come attack us again. What then?
Kenapa?
Hide, quick!
Ada orang. Maaf guys.
A raider. Has to be. You all stay here. I'll see if they know anything that could help us.
Wah, kita mau ancam dia. Boleh sih sebenarnya, cuma
Drop it. How many of you are there? How many of who? I'm not fucking around. Answer the question. 8. There's 8.
ada 8 orang.
Clem, stop! Hey, Minnie.
Mini? Kakaknya Ten.
After the attack, I wasn't sure. I mean, I heard they burned half your school down. Who survived? Ruby? Mitch? Brody? 10?
Ruby and 10 made it. Mitch didn't. And Brody, she died.
10's boots holding up okay?
His boots?
They're so old, there are more holes than rubber. I duct taped him up the last time I saw him, but that was a while ago. His boots are fine. You're Clementine. The girl who took over after Marlon died. It's weird. I thought everyone would want to lean on their own. I didn't ask to be put in charge. It just sort of happened. Is that the kind of wishy-washy bullshit you say to everyone back home or just me? Excuse me? Abel figured he could talk Marlon into handing everyone over like he and Lily did, but
Kita ketemu kakaknya Ten,
like they did
guys.
before. You ruined the whole plan.
What are you talking about? Marlon traded you and Sophie like it was nothing.
Yeah, and we all survived it. Marlon would have never made them fight the way you did. He wouldn't have gotten people killed.
That is some grade A horse shit. Clem saved us.
He wouldn't have gotten people killed. He murdered Brody. What?
Minerva? Where's Sophie?
Sophie.
She died protecting the Delta. A hero.
Wah, berarti tinggal Semini.
A hero? God, you...
Minerva!
Shit.
Ih, ayo. Sepertinya ada suara Lily.
Finish
Iya,
up
benar
and head
Lily.
back. I want to be in before dark.
Yes, ma'am.
Ada 8 orang ya mereka.
Our boat
Lumayan
leaves to
dikit.
the Delta in 2 days. Then it'll be a couple of weeks before we can come back for the rest of you. When we do, don't fight. The only way you're gonna save your
2
people
hari.
is to let us take them. I'm serious. Don't fight this.
It's not too late, Minnie. You could come back to the school with us.
No, I couldn't.
Kenapa? Tapi ya emang terlalu berbahaya sih.
Are you okay?
It doesn't change anything. We still have to get onto that boat.
Benar. Kita masih harus ke sana.
You all should head home. Start getting things ready. Get everyone caught up on the plan.
Waktu kita cuma 2 hari.
Except 10.
I warned you.
Enough, both of you. AJ and I will go find James.
Be safe.
Wah, gila. Keren. Waktu kita cuma 2 hari ya. Kita harus mempersiapkan semuanya dalam 2 hari ini dan menyelamatkan mereka semua.
So, how many walkers do you think James will help us get? 15? 100? 1,000?
Wah, 1,000.
I don't...
Wah,
Ow.
Gunshot wound.
It feels like someone pinched me from inside.
nggak usah memaksakan diri aja. Gak apa-apa,
Here,
duduk aja dulu.
let's rest a second.
Clem, I keep thinking. When Willie said all that stuff about Tin before, I got so mad. He was being mean, and Tin wasn't even there to defend himself. I wanted to hurt him. I know I shouldn't, but I just can't stop thinking
Wah,
about it.
nggak boleh gitu.
I want to just punch his head. I tried breathing, kicking rocks.
It's okay to get mad at people. You can't help that. But those thoughts have to stay in your head, okay? Don't act on them. Ever.
Okay. I'm strong. I can control what I do,
Nah, gitu dong.
but not what I think. Like, I think I'm mad at Tin too.
Iya, dia juga marah ya kepada Ten.
Running out of cover when Lily attacked the school was really stupid. But he just doesn't know stuff like we do. And then Willie started yelling at him instead of helping him learn. Why don't the other kids know all the stuff we know? When there's a plan, you have to follow it. And when you yell at someone, it just makes them not listen.
Well, the other kids haven't had it as hard as we've had.
Benar.
We had to make a lot of mistakes to learn what we know.
Yeah. I guess. But Tin's mistakes are just so bad. Maybe he'll learn from them too, like we did.
Benar.
It's weird
Semoga
that
aja
people
ya
are so
Ten bisa
different.
belajar seperti kita
It
belajar.
is Erickson's boarding school for troubled youth.
Troubled youth. Trouble like bad? So they did bad things? Why?
Okay, sometimes they do them because bad things happen to them. I knew a doctor once, back when you were just a baby. He called it trauma. You
Trauma.
have some too, you know. The thing where people can't walk up behind you?
I don't like my trauma. I want to get it off of me.
Trauma ya?
How do I get rid of it? I don't even like the way the word sounds.
It doesn't work like that. It's too deep down inside you. It never goes away.
That sucks.
But you can resist it, just like anger.
I still like them. I like Tin the most, I think. Even if he does dumb things. Actually, I think he's my first real friend.
Oh yeah? I thought I was your first real friend.
Well, yeah, but you don't count. You're old.
Wah, kita
I'm
tua.
not.
Wah,
Fine.
kita dibilang tua,
He's
guys.
my second first real friend.
Parah banget nih AJ bilang kita udah tua, guys. Ada walkers. Oke guys, karena kita udah 30 menit ya di sini, mungkin sampai di sini saja dulu episode kita kali ini. Dan wah, kita udah merancang beberapa rencana ya, dan kita akan melakukan rencana kita dalam 2 hari ke depan nih, karena mereka dalam 2 hari akan pergi katanya. Jadi kita harus cepat-cepat nih merancang rencana kita supaya kita bisa menyelamatkan teman-teman kita. Nah, mungkin sampai di sini saja dulu episode kita kali ini guys, dan sampai jumpa di next episode. Bye guys.